the drums have always been a part of most cultures anyway, in our songs and dances and things, you know, with rattles, drums, you know. But yeah, modern Indian culture, as far as powwow and stuff like that, yeah, it's the drums are very major part of it.
I was homeless for about 6 years, and my flute was with me. I had one flute at that time, and I would play and play and play, and because that kept my head good, that's the only way I know how to describe it. You know, I tell people the flute saved my life, but I would play and play and play for just nobody but myself, so I was under no pressure. So I developed my own style, almost just time, you know what I mean? I wasn't intending to, it's just how I did things, because I like to be different, in case you can't tell.
And I just happened to walk through a pawn shop one day and saw a pair of bongos, picked them up and started noodling with them. Well, it kind of blossomed out from there.
Let's introduce our headman dancer from Robbinsville, North Carolina. This is Robin Jumper. Give him a nice welcome. Our head lady from way down south, Hoa Choctaw Nation. Please welcome Nicole Mason. Hooka! Followed by our Southern Straight, Grass Dance, Fancy Dance. Get your meal ticket. Jesse's right here. She's glad to hook you up. So if you're not registered, come on up and get your meal ticket, please. If you're all registered, you gotta be able to.